Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Shopify orders into Google Sheets no-code, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. First, log into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Search for and select the Google Sheets app from the Shopify App Store. Click on the Add App button to install it. Authorize the app to access your Shopify data. Once installed, go back to the app dashboard. Find the option labeled Export Orders. Choose the parameters for the orders you wish to export, such as date range or order status. Select the format you want for your Google Sheets export. Next, click on the Export button. Check your email for a confirmation that the export is ready. Open Google Sheets in a new tab. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on blank. In the new sheet, go to File, then Import. Choose the Upload tab in the Import dialog. Select the exported file from your email and upload it. Decide whether to replace the current sheet or insert it into a new one. Click on Import Data to finalize the process. You should now see your Shopify orders in Google Sheets. Format the data as needed for better readability. Save your spreadsheet to your Google Drive for easy access later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.